Today we're gonna talk about law of sines and law of cosines. First, law of sines. We're gonna use it when we have two data of the same letter, like the angle and the distance of A, and same with B or C. Then we substitute in the formula that is A over sine of A is equal B over sine of B and is equal to C over sine of C. And you will isolate the data that you want to know.
There's also another law. It's called law of cosines, which is mostly solved with a formula or a group of formulas, depending on what you want to get. First, you need to analyze your data, and you use this law if you don't have any pair. You start to get an angle if you're missing one, with, for example, b side is equal r cosine parentheses b to the square minus a to the square minus c to the square divided to minus 2 per a per c. That's going to give you another angle, and you can get the third by subtracting to 180. To get the sides, you need another formula. For example, to get a side, you need to do a is equal to the square root of b to the square plus c to the square minus 2 per b per c per cosine of a angle. This is going to give you like each side depending what formula you need.
Now I'm going to explain an example of love cosines. There were two buildings and we want to know the distance between the buildings. The distance between the person and the first building is of 225 meters, and with the second building is 340 meters, and the angle of the person and the two buildings is 33 grades. Now we are gonna get the distance between the two buildings by the formula that is a equal square root of b to the square root plus c to the square root minus 2bc cosine a, and the result is 194.70. This is all about our program. Thank you for your attention.